Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Bakale. In today's video, we are going to see about the placebo 1902 Biologist Control Act and the Tuskegee experiment. So, let's talk about the placebo 1902 Biologist Control Act. So, let's see about the placebo. What is the placebo? Placebo is a substance or a treatment that has no therapeutic effect on a patient's condition. It is often used in the medical research and clinical trial as a control group to compare the compared against the group receiving and the actual treatment. So the placebo effect is a physiological phenomenon where a patient experience a perceived improvement in their conditions after receiving a placebo. This effect is believed to result from the patient belief in the effectiveness of the treatment. So now we will see about the 1902 Biologics Control Act. The 1902 Biologics Control Act was a significant piece of legislation in the United States. It was enacted to regulate the production and the distribution of biological products such as vaccines and serums. In order to ensure their safety and the efficacy, this act was a response to growing concern about the quality and safety of the vaccines and other biological products. Prior to its passage, there were few regulations in a place, and the productions of these products was not well standardized. The 1902 Biologics Control Act laid the foundation for the modern system and the regulating vaccines and other biologics, which is now overseen by the Food and Drug Administrations, means FDA, in the United States. This is all about the placebo experiment. So let's talk about the Tuskegee experiment. So the Tuskegee experiment, officially known as the Tuskegee syphilis study, was a notorious unethical medical study conducted in the Tuskegee, Alabama from 1932 to 1972. So the study was originally designed to observe the natural progression of syphilis in African American men who had the disease. However, it became unethical and highly controversial because the participants were not informed about the nature of the study, were not provided with proper treatment from their conditions, and were subjected to unnecessary suffering. So the Tuskegee experiment is a stark example of the medical racism and the unethical research practice. It led to significant changes in the research ethics and the regulations, including the establishment of the institutional review boards, means the IRBs, to protect rights and well-being of research participants. So the place so this is about the Tuskegee experiment. Thank you.